Hey everyone, it's Damira here. Welcome back to my channel if you've joined me before, and if you're new, welcome, and I hope that this is for you. Before we get started, I'd encourage you to subscribe to the Millennial Farmhouse. I like to share cleaning videos, coffee bars, and seasonal decorating. In today's video, I am sharing with you a simple Easter coffee bar. I noticed that as I was looking for Easter decor for my coffee bar, I realized I barely had anything because I usually do a spring coffee bar around this time, and I usually leave it for a couple of months. But because I decided to decorate for one holiday each month, I had to go and get a few Easter-inspired decorative items. I didn't grab too many. Again, I wanted to keep it simple. And I noticed that I'm not a huge fan of Easter decor because of all of the colors, but I thought I'd add a little pop of yellow, blue, and green on this coffee bar. I'm just going to let this video play, and I hope you like it. As for the coffee that's on my coffee bar, I do have some ground coffee that I put on that top shelf, and then I have my K-cups in the drawer as always, and I do use both because I drink coffee every single day, and so it'll all get used. And then for the syrups, I have a French vanilla syrup as well as a toasted marshmallow, and you will notice that on the toasted marshmallow bottle it's just a handwritten label because the pre-made labels did not have one for that flavor. And I'm super excited about these two flavors. I find that when I drink coffee as it gets warmer, I go for the iced coffee, and because there's a lot of ice and water, I do tend to want my coffee to be a little bit sweeter. And so those two syrups will give me just what I need. So the items I am using today come from Hobby Lobby and At Home. I have to say that I do love this simple look that I went with, and I'm glad that I didn't do too much. I picked out a few things that spoke to me, and I'm happy with them. So my favorite item has to be the leaning cross that says he is risen. It's just so beautiful. And then I also really like the napkins. Now I couldn't decide between which one I wanted to go with, and so I just decided to put them both. The first time I'd ever put napkins on my coffee bar actually was last month for St. Patrick's Day, and those napkins really came in handy in the mornings when I'd make a quick cup of coffee. So I decided to add some more this time around. And then I have to say that my other favorite item is the blue basket. I'm guessing it's an Easter egg basket. It's ceramic, it's blue, it has a little ribbon on it. It's gorgeous. And I just put my coffee creamers inside of it, and I thought that that was just so cute. So again, I kept everything pretty simple. I didn't do too much, but I really like how it turned out. So that is my Easter coffee bar. It turned out beautifully. It's really simple. There's quite a bit of color, but not too much color, and it's fully functional. I think it turned out great, and I'm so happy with how it looks. If you've liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. I hope you'll consider subscribing to the Millennial Farmhouse, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.